Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. All praises be to Allah and peace be upon to His beloved messenger. Dear students, hoping you to be in good spirits and wishing you a very bright and refulgent future. This is Sadia Kuyum, your English teacher, back again with today's lecture on new chapter from prose portion, namely reusing the waste. Let us begin. We should recycle the waste to save our valuable resources. By recycling the waste, we reuse the waste that is collected every day in our cities and villages. Recycling things save money, thereby increases the economy of the country. The process by which we make waste reusable is called recycling. It is estimated that about 75,000 trees would be saved in the United States of America every week just by recycling. The Sunday edition of New York Times. It is a new newspaper in New York, in America, United States of America, New York Times. Recycling is not very expensive. After the material has been collected from the consumers, it must be cleaned, sold to an industry, and transported, remanufactured, and sold once again to consumers. It's an easy task. We can recycle the things easily. First of all, metals are easily recycled because metal scraps are easily collected with the help of magnets, even from dirty water and drains. These scraps are recycled into new substances and other materials. On other hand, recycling of plastic is not simple, but they can be recycled and shaped into different objects. Recycle of metals is easy. On the other hand, plastics cannot be recycled easily. Moving on, plastic is dangerous for health. As we all know, plastic is dangerous for health because it is a non-biodegradable substance, that is, it cannot be decomposed. Certain chemicals leak from plastic mixed up with water, making it unfit for drinking. This was the reason why plastic is dangerous. Recycling paper saves our valuable forest resources. By reusing the waste paper, we can save money and increase the economy of the country. Japan now makes half of its paper by recycling. So, from this point, you came to know that recycling is so important. Recycling saves our resources. In one way, the used glass material is collected from the consumers or bottle banks. Then the material is cleaned, sold to industries, manufactured, and sold once again to consumers. In a second way, broken glass, known as cullet, is remelted in furnaces and then shaped into new bottles or other objects and sold to consumers once again. Wastewater, if recycled, can easily be reused for agriculture. From this point, wastewater can also be recycled. My dear students, so we came to know that wastewater can also be recycled for agriculture purposes. Many water treatment plants have been involved in the purification of wastewater. Then this wastewater is purified. The National Environmental Engineering Research Institute NERI is one among them. India is making efforts to reutilize and recycle the waste through treatment plants in many parts of the country. The National Environmental Engineering Research Institute NERI at Nagpur is also involved in developing stable technologies for the treatment of water, treatment of wastewater and the utilization of domestic and industrial wastewater in agriculture. After purifying it, we can use this wastewater in agriculture purpose after purifying it. For like 50,000 liters of wastewater is purified daily and used in generating energy in Gujarat. So, in recycling, we will be saving our lives from the hazards of pollution. It would also mean saving our valuable resources. With this, we completed today's lecture. We have covered all the three chapters of prose portion. Tomorrow we will discuss textual questions, inshallah. Till then, stay blessed. Assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi wabarakatuh.